Our next problem is the vertices of a triangle are 2 comma 1 minus 2 comma minus 2 1 comma 0. Then sum of squares of lengths of the medians of the triangle are lengths of the medians of the triangle are here let ABC is the triangle, DEF are the midpoints, AD, PE, CF are medians of the triangle. Let triangle ABC and let BC is equal to A, CA is equal to B, AB is equal to small c. Here length AD is equal to 1 by 2 into root of 2b square plus 2c square minus a square. Similarly BE is equal to 1 by 2 root of 2a square plus 2c square minus b square. Similarly CF is equal to 1 by 2 into 2a square plus 2b square minus c square. Now we need AD square plus BE square plus CF square, that is 1 by 4 of, add all this, it will be 4a square plus 4b square plus 4c square minus a square minus b square minus c square, that is equal to 3 by 4 a square plus b square plus c square. This is sum of squares of the medians of the triangle. So now we need to find the lengths of the sides, a square, b square, c square. Now a is equal to bc, that is distance between b and c. Here points a is 2 comma 1, b is minus 2 minus 2, c is 1 comma 0. bc distance is root of 3 square plus 2 square, that is root 9 plus 4 root 13. Now b is equal to CA, that is distance between C and A, that is root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. Now C is AB, distance between AB, that is 4 square plus 3 square, that is root 16 plus 9 is root 25. Now AD square plus BE square plus CF square is equal to 3 by 4 of a square is 13, b square is 2, c square is 25, 25 plus 2, 27 plus 13 is 40, 3 by 4 into 40, 4 tens are 40, 3 tens are 30 is the sum of squares of the lengths of the medians of the triangle. If the centroid of the triangle formed by P comma Q, Q comma R, R comma S is 0 comma 0, then P cube plus Q cube plus R cube is equal to, here given vertices of the triangle are P comma Q, q comma r comma s. Now centroid is given as 0 comma 0, implies 0 comma 0 centroid is equal to p plus q plus r by 3 comma q plus r plus s by 3. Now comparing, this is p plus q plus r by 3 is equal to 0. P plus q plus r is equal to 0. P plus q is equal to minus r. Now cubing on both sides. P cube plus q cube plus 3pq into p plus q is equal to minus r cube. That is p cube plus q cube plus 3pq into p plus q is minus r. That is equal to minus r cube. P cube plus q cube plus r cube is equal to minus 3pqr. Take it to right side, it will be plus 3pqr. Our next problem is a is 1 comma 3, b is 4 comma minus 1, c is minus 8 comma 4 are vertices of a triangle ABC. If DEF divides BC, CA, AB in the same ratio 2:1, then centroid of the triangle DEF is. First let us find D. D divides BC in the ratio 2:1 minus 8 comma 4. This is D 2 comma 1. Therefore coordinates of D are 2 into minus 8 plus 1 into 4 by 3, 2 into 4 plus 1 into minus 1 by 3. That is equal to minus 16 plus 4 minus 12 by 3, 8 minus 1, that is 7 by 3. That is minus 4 comma 7 by 3. That is D. Similarly, let us find E comma F also. Now E divides CA in the ratio 2:1. Here C is minus 8 comma 4, A is 1 comma 3. Now coordinates of E are 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 8 by 3, 2 into 3 plus 1 into 4 by 3. That is equal to 2 minus 8 minus 6 by 3, 2 3 is 6 plus 4 10 by 3, minus 2 comma 10 by 3. Coordinates of E. F divides AB in the ratio A is 1 comma 3, B is 4 comma minus 1. Now coordinates of F are 2 into 4 plus 1 into 1 by 3, 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 3 by 3, that is 9 by 3 comma 1 by 3, that is 3 comma 1 by 3. Now D is minus 4 comma 7 by 3, E is minus 2 comma 10 by 3, F is 3 comma 1 by 3. Now centroid of DEF is -4 -2 plus 3 by 3, 7 by 3 plus 10 by 3 plus 1 by 3 by 3. This is -6 plus 3, -3 by 3, 17 plus 1, 18 by 3 by 3, that is 18 by 9. This is -1 comma 2 is the centroid of triangle DEF. Next problem is the centroid of the triangle is 2 comma 3 and two of its vertices are vertices are 5 comma 6 -1 comma 4. Then the third vertex of the triangle is so let A is 5 comma 6, B is -1 comma 4, C is x comma y are vertices, and the centroid is G2 comma 3. Now C is equal to 3G minus A minus B is the formula. Therefore C is equal to 3 into 2 coordinates 3 into 2 minus 5 plus 1, 3 into 3 minus 6 minus 4. It is 6 minus 4. This is 9 minus 10. This is 2 comma minus 1 are the coordinates of the third vertex. Next problem is ABC is a triangle in which A is 0 comma 2, B is 4 comma 0. If 4 comma 4 is midpoint of BC, then find midpoint of AC. This is triangle ABC. This is midpoint of BCD. Here A is 0 comma 2, B is 4 comma 0, and D is given as 4 comma 4. Now midpoint of AB, let us find. Let it be F. That is 0 plus 4 by 2, 2 plus 0 by 2. That is 2 comma 1. Now we know that AEDF is a parallelogram. Since E is a midpoint of AC. Now in a parallelogram, E plus F by 2 is equal to A plus D by 2. Midpoints are same, that is E plus F is equal to A plus D. Therefore E is equal to A plus D minus F. Therefore coordinates of here A is 0 comma 2, D is 4 comma 4, and F is 2 comma 1. A plus D minus F, that is 0 plus 4 minus 2, 2 plus 4 minus 1, that is 2 comma 2 plus 4, 6 minus 1 is 5. Coordinates of ER 2 comma 5 is the midpoint. Our next problem is the lengths of the sides of the triangle are AB is equal to 10, BC is equal to 7, CA is equal to root 37. Then the length of median through vertex C is let CF is median through vertex C. Then CF is equal to length CF is equal to 1 by 2 of 2AC square 2BC square minus 2 minus AB square is the formula. It is 1 by 2 of AC square is 37, AC square is same as CA square, plus BC square is 49 minus AB square is 100. 1 by 2 of this is 49, 46 plus 40, 86 to the 172 minus 100, that is root 72 by 2. Root 72 is 36 into 2, that is 6 root 2 by 2, that is equal to 3 root 2. So length of median to vertex C is 3 root 2. Our next problem is, if the sides of the triangle ABC are 5 comma 7 comma 8, then AG square plus BG square plus CG square is equal to, this is ABC, DEF are midpoints, G is centroid. Here G divides medians in the ratio 2:1, divides medians in the ratio 2:1. Therefore AG is equal to 2 by 3 AD. Similarly BG is equal to 2 by 3 BE. CG is equal to 2 by 3 CF, where AD, B, C, F are medians. Now AG square plus BG square plus CG square is equal to 4 by 9 of AD square plus BE square plus CF square. 4 by 9 of, now sum of squares of median is 3 by 4 of A square plus B square plus C square. In the earlier problems we reduced this. Here 4 gets cancelled, that is 1 by 3 of A square plus B square plus C square. Now sides are given as 5, 7, 8. This is 25 plus 49 plus 64. That is 138 by 3. That is equal to 46. Our next problem is, if one vertex of an equilateral triangle is 2, 2 and its centroid is minus 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3, then length of its side is one vertex is given and the centroid is given. Equilateral triangle. So with the side length is equal to, let us say, A, small a. So height is equal to, height h is equal to root 3 by 2a. A is equal to 2h by root 3. And here this is h, this is d, this is g centroid. Here AD is equal to h and AG is equal to 2 by 3 AD. That is equal to 2 by 3 h. Implies h is equal to 3ag by 2. First let us find ag. Ag is 2 plus 2 by root 3. 2 plus 2 by root 3 whole square plus 2 minus 2 by root 3 whole square. That is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. 2 into a square plus b square, that is 4 plus 4 by 3. 3 4 is 12 plus 4 16 by 3. That is 4 into root 2 by 3. That is ag. Therefore h is equal to 3 into ag by 2. 3 by 2, 4 into root 2 by 3. That is 4 into root 3 by 2. Therefore a is equal to 2h by root 3. 2 by root 3 into h is 4 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 gets cancelled. Root 2 root 2 gets cancelled. Therefore a is equal to 4 root 2 is the length of its side. Our next problem is the vertices of a triangle are 6 comma 6 0 comma 6 6 comma 0. Then the distance between circumcenter and the centroid is here given vertices 6 comma 6, let a b is 0 comma 6, c is 6 comma 0. Let us find the lengths. AB is equal to root of 6 square plus 0 square, that is equal to 6. BC is equal to root of 6 square plus 6 square, that is 6 root 2. CA is root of 0 square plus 6 square, that is 6. Here AB square plus CA square is equal to BC square. Therefore right angle at A. In a right angle triangle, circumcenter is midpoint of hypotenuse. That is midpoint of, here hypotenuse is BC. So that is 0 plus 6 by 2, 6 plus 0 by 2. That is 3 comma 3 is the circumcenter. Now centroid is equal to 6 plus 0 plus 6 by 3, 6 plus 6 plus 0 by 3, 12 by 3 comma 12 by 3, that is 4 comma 4. Now distance between circumcenter and centroid is SG is equal to root of 3 minus 4 square plus root of 3 minus 4 square, that is root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to root 2. Distance between circumcenter and centroid for the given triangle.